This belt is bad. You can see it has already gotten a broken line. So this one is terribly bad, seriously bad. So you make a provision for another one. This is we call it Belgium or Tokumbo. So you can see, just see. So there's nothing like a broken line there. This is Igbo, we call it engine loose. They call it engine loose. That's the one that came with engine from abroad. So you can see there's nothing like a broken teeth there. So this is the right Tokumbo. This is Tokumbo. So while this one is the one that we saw in the car, this is bad. So if you keep managing such belt like this, the belt will, make your alternator not to charge. The power steering might be stiff. Then the, what was it called? The water pump, may not supply enough water. Like it may not be able to radiate the water in the system. So this is the symptoms or what will happen if you keep using bad belts. This belt is bad, and if it's cut, because it is even one belt, which means that one belt controls the whole drive. So this is, they call it drive belt. It controls the alternator, the power steering, the AC, water pump. It controls everything. So if it went bad, or if it got bad, if it gets bad, it's going to affect many things.